Welcome, everyone! In the first part of this video, we'll show you how to install AutoMark and how to request a trial version and activation code. The first step is to request the trial. Just scroll down here, enter your name, and provide your email address because that's where we'll send the activation code. Select Request Trial Version. If you have any specific requirements or ideas, type them in, send them to us, and click Submit. Then just wait for your code. To download the trial version, click on the Documentation tab. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the download link.
Click on it. It's downloading for me right now.
Once it's downloaded, open the file and click Run. Click Next, then Install. It's that simple. Finally, click Finish. Now the program is running, but it doesn't have an active license yet. To apply the license we emailed you, go to the Licenses section and enter it here. The license has been successfully activated, so the software is ready to go. Moving on to the next step in this video, we'll talk about how to create a complete template in Microsoft Word, link it with your student data, and set up the grading process right in front of us. First, we'll create the template. This is the template we'll be working with. By the way, if you subscribe to AutoMark, your first custom template is a free gift. We'll design it exactly how you want it. For this specific template, what do I need? I'll need a barcode for each student to easily identify them, as well as their name and grade level. Here, we've set up 80 questions, with 5 multiple choice options for each. It's completely up to you whether you want 80 or 100 questions, or 2 or 3 options. The program will handle it perfectly regardless of the number of options or questions. Now, how do I link this Word template to the student's information in an Excel spreadsheet? I've already created a simple Excel file containing the student's full name, grade level, barcode, and student ID. Note that the barcode ID must be placed between 2 asterisks. So, we've set up the ID for each student like M1 between asterisks. What I've also done here in Excel is specify that the very first row will be the answer key. You can put it here for speed or upload it later directly into the software. I prefer having the answer key here as the first entry in the exam data. So, how do we link this Excel file? We go to Word, click on the Mailings tab, choose Select Recipients, and select our Excel database file. Click OK. Now it's linked. To insert a student's name here, place your cursor, go to Insert Merge field, and select the full name field. It imports the full name. To check if the names are formatted correctly, just click Preview Results. It shows me the answer key first because it's the top row. If we flip through the pages, we can see actual students. Let's toggle that off and finish designing our template. We'll do the same for the grade level. Click Insert Merge field and select the grade. Next up is the barcode. Click here and insert the barcode field. If we click Preview Results now, it doesn't look like a barcode. It just shows the text. To fix this, select the text Ctrl+A, go to the Home tab, and change the font to a barcode font. To generate individual exam sheets for every student, click Finish and Merge, select Edit Individual Documents, and click OK. It generated everything perfectly. Next, we export this as a PDF, print it out, and hand the tests out to the students. Afterward, we'll start grading. In the next segment, we'll cover how to grade the papers. After printing the PDFs, giving the test, and collecting the papers, we scan them and save the students' answers as a new PDF. Now, we hop back into our program to create the grading template. Click Create Template. You can use an image or a PDF. I'll select the scanned answers file, and it displays like this. You can name your template so it's saved for future use if you ever need it again. You can also select the paper size, like A4 or US letter. The choice is yours. We'll stick with A4. Click Create. Now, we need to map out the template so the software understands each section. First, we have the OMR section, which contains the actual questions. Select the OMR tool and draw a box around the answers. Once drawn, you can name this region. Next, specify the option format. We have 3 choices: numbers, lowercase letters, or uppercase letters, A, B, C, which is what we're using. The program recognizes it automatically. There's also an option for bonus questions, which are common in exams. You can specify whether the section is for bonus points or regular questions. We'll leave them as regular questions and click Save. Immediately, the software recognizes that these are questions 1 through 20. To speed things up, instead of drawing a new box, just hit Ctrl+C to copy this region and Ctrl+V to paste it. Then, simply drag the new box into place and repeat this for the remaining columns. Once that's done, the program now knows we have 80 questions with 5 options each. Alright, moving on, we need to define the barcode area. Click on the barcode tool and draw a box around it. I highly recommend making this box a bit larger, because sometimes printed barcodes can shift or vary in size, so you want to give the program some breathing room. Name the region whatever you like. Now, we need to link this to our Excel file to pull in our data. Choose the exact same Excel database file we used earlier. For the matching field, select the student code. Then, pick what information you want displayed alongside the student's results. I want to see each student's full name, their answers, and their grade level. Click Save. Now that we're finished, hit Save again, choose a folder to save this template in, and click Yes. After that's complete, click Start Correction. Now we upload the scanned exam papers that the students just took. Click Add Files, navigate to our folder, and select the files. I'm selecting the answer key first, followed by the student's answers and clicking Open. The order matters here. I want the answer key to process first, followed by the student's exams. This tells the program that the very first document is the answer key. Click Add Files and just wait while the software automatically grades and checks the student's answers one by one, right in front of you. Alright, it's finished processing the students. If we take a look, here is our answer key. Now let's click on a specific student. If I simply hover over the first question, it zooms in and shows exactly what the student answered. For example, this student picked A for the first question, B for the second, but for the third, they bubbled in both A and B. The software clearly flags that they selected 2 options. As the grader, it's totally up to you. You can leave it as a multiple selection error, manually correct it, or leave it blank. As you move your cursor down, it highlights each bubbled option. So, those are the students' answers. Now, how does the actual grading work? We have 2 methods. Quick correction, which works perfectly if you included the answer key as the very first sheet or top row. Just click Quick Correction, and it grades everything instantly. The other method is advanced correction. If you didn't include an answer key sheet, or if you want to delete it, just right-click and hit Delete to remove that row. You'll use advanced correction. This is useful if someone sent you the correct answers via WhatsApp or another messaging app. You would manually go through and click on the correct bubble for every single question. Naturally, this is pretty tedious. That's why we always recommend an AutoMark to make your answer key the very first row. If you've done that, just click Quick Correction. Boom! The results are generated instantly. I can see the total number of students, the question count, the average scores, and full analytical reports. Everything is graded instantly. To export these grades and see individual student scores, click Export to Excel, save the file, and you're done. It exported successfully. If we open that file and look at the grade sheet, it lists every single student and their final score.